In the latest update of DJI FlightHub 2, a new feature of waypoint route merging has been added. With the deployment of DJI Dock, the efficiency of single short route is low, often resulting in situations where the aircraft returns with high battery level. By using the route merging feature, DJI Dock can be more efficient. Waypoint routes with the same settings for aircraft type, payload, altitude mode can be quickly merged into a new one. To use this feature, enter Flight Route Library, hold down the Control or Command key, and multi-select the routes to be merged. The option of Merge Routes will come out. Click Merge Routes, and a warning message may appear to indicate any precautions. In merging settings, you can drag to adjust the order. Then click OK, edit the name, and a merged route will be created. After that, it's recommended to edit and check for flight safety. Then save for later execution. For more information on how to use DJI FlightHub 2, you can click on the FAQs or read the user manuals. Thanks for watching.